life can be a crazy journey. That's for sure. Full of ups and downs, twists and turns. The highs seem to disappear when you're at the lows. But it's how you handle them that defines who you are. When you have a goal, everything tries to stop you as you get closer to it. Things get in your way to block your vision of those dreams. But of all things that I've learned in my life, the one that means the most is don't lose sight. Welcome to Season 3.